guys, I'm gonna show you on how to replace the nylon band in my Apple Watch. This is 40 mm, and I'm gonna show you today on how I'm gonna replace it. So I bought this new nylon band for my Apple Watch, and I'm gonna show you how I replace it. Medyo tricky siya at the beginning when I start replacing this, but I'm gonna show you how. First, siyempre i-loose niyo muna yan like that. So once it loose, you look at the back. So this is the back of your Apple Watch. That's the front, and this one is, I need to replace the front too. But for now, I'm gonna show you the back of this Apple Watch. So here, to replace the nylon band, you have to press. There's kind of this little thing here. You just push it down. It looks like a lock, but just push it down, right? And then you have to move the nylon band. Kind of hard. Okay, you just push like that. And you do the same at the other side. Parang meron siyang lock dito at the very end. And you do the same, you just push it harder. And then slide the nylon band. Just like that. Just slide it. And then when you put this one, just this one is easier now when you put the brand new. So this is the brand new one. I'll just slide here, you know, slide that here. To put it back is easier, you know, to put back the new one. So you just slide it. And that's it, guys. Now I have a new band for my bracelet, for my Apple Watch 40 mm. So you can replace your Apple Watch band, guys. You can replace it whenever you want. So that's it, guys. There's a lot of design for the Apple Watch nylon band, and since I have like a pink, baby pink Apple Watch, so I just replace with a little pink also. I can, yeah, there's also a plastic one, guys, but I prefer this one that I have with the same, my other one. See, it's just a little bit different design, but you can tell this kind of old. I always use this at work, guys, kasi sa work, you know, lagi nating chine-check about yung time, ganon. Tapos pwede mo siyang palitan yung face niya kung anong gusto niyong design. Pero pag pinapalitan yan, guys, I go to my phone. Doon ako pipili ng design kung anong gusto kong design. Pero for now, yan lang. design mo na. Yan na. Bago na yung ating Apple Watch nylon band. Then, pwede nyo na siyang i-adjust. Gusto nyo, yan. I-adjust nyo lang pag masikip. So, yan lang guys. Ang bili ko nito, $10 lang to. It's not too bad, right? So, ayan yung mga iba-ibang color. Merong black, merong mix. And then, merong parang purple, merong parang gray. Pero sa store, mas maraming choices, guys. Yan. Thank you for watching. Bye.